Our company is a technological company, the developers of video analytic solutions for perimeter protection, mainly. The company started as an adventure, mainly. It was me and my partner, we were studying together in the university. After we finished, we went off to work for large companies, and after some time, we went back and said, why don't we start something? And we didn't know what to do. We knew about computer vision, so we knew that we would do something about it, with computer vision. And we made some research and found out that perimeter was a problem where we would provide an excellent solution.
Davantis are a company that specialise in perimeter security, protecting sites and assets using video analytics, which are automated to detect intrusion into an area that is supposed to be secure.
As manufacturers of video analytic solutions for perimeter protection, we focus on this area, and we have a range of different solutions that fit into different needs. So we have from the smallest, the entry-level system that fits for the smallest sites, to the big critical infrastructure solution. So we have different product ranges that focus on these different needs.
So we have an entry-level system which is very affordable. It can be used on smaller sites, for smaller clients, small commercial premises. We also protect VIP residences with it and places like that, right through to multi-site companies, very, very large multi-building sites, and lots of different applications. The key advantage of using Davantis is definitely performance. Davantis focus on the performance of the software, the reliability, the accuracy, and more importantly, the lack of false alarms. So we have very, very low false alarm rate, very high accuracy. That's our single biggest differentiator amongst our competitors.
I think the uniqueness of our solutions is a combination of the technology itself and the company. Because we are not just product providers, so we're not box movers. We get involved in all the stages of the projects. So our customers don't get only one piece of system; they get also the knowledge of 15 years of doing projects and providing solutions. So it's at the end what they get is a solution that really works. Our customers are system integrators, any system integrator, any solution provider that faces the challenge of securing a perimeter. So we're very straightforward on what we do. We secure perimeters, we provide all the knowledge and the technology to secure a perimeter and do it very well. From then any company that faces this need, even if it's a small one or a huge critical infrastructure one, would be someone interested in contacting Davantis.
A typical customer would be someone who has an asset that requires protection, a high value asset of some kind that requires protection, or some form of risk to safety or attack. So literally anyone who needs that level of protection. So we look after footballers' houses, we look after industrial sites with high value stock. It's very diverse, the customer base we have. So we also deal with critical national infrastructure, which is places such as solar farms, where there are actually assets of some value on site, but more importantly, the disruption to service is very costly and damaging to the country. So we protect sites against intrusion and damage. Utility companies, it's a very popular market for us.
Right now we are in Ifsec, here in London. We come here to see the people we work with and to meet once in a while. It's always good, so they have the chance to talk to maybe the technical director and the people from the company. But also, obviously, we attend an exhibition to find new customers, new people. Ifsec is an international event, so we expect to find people from all over Europe and grow our distribution network.
The Davantis brand is growing in value. It's growing in recognition around the world. And one of the reasons for that is exposure at large-scale events focused on security, such as Ifsec. It's an important forum for us to launch new features and capabilities, and it's a perfect audience to present that to. So it's quite an important annual event for us, and we select shows like this around the world on an annual basis.
The company right now is growing fast, so I see a huge potential in taking Davantis internationally. Right, we just opened offices in several countries, in Singapore, US, Colombia, Chile, also in the UK. So I can see the company growing in that way and taking the technology that is being used a lot it's been used successfully in Europe, taking it to Asia, Australia. So that's, I think, the path we'll follow. And on the technical side, our systems will keep improving. There is new exciting technologies in the field of analytics, and obviously we are working on them. We'll be using it to provide better and better solutions all the time. So I think there's going to be a major improvement both in the technical side, but also in the business side.